YouTube, what's up? We are back with another video. Today we're going to be painting my buddy Toby D's ZL1 LT1 RSW XXX Alphabet 2022 Camaro. We're going to be painting it grabber lime, and by painting it, we are talking about the brake caliper covered brake calipers themselves. But there's a lot of bugs outside.
Fucking bugs, bro.
Yeah, a lot of bugs. We got the light set up here, 2 chairs with the garage lights. There's no light in the garage. We got the cloud thing in the back. More content on that coming soon.
They know that?
Yeah, do they know what?
Do they know that your Bluetooth's on already?
I didn't. Shh. Shh. Where's the shh? So yeah, here's the LT1. We're getting it up in the air. We already broke the torque on all the wheels, so we should just grab the gun and go be able to get the wheels out and pretty much show you the entire process. It's late at night and look at him. Pretty much these are all the tools you're gonna need. I personally am gonna use a drill with these little alloy brushes here, just to scuff up the surface of the brake caliper. We got some primer for the paint to stick to. We got some gloss to seal in the paint. He's got the actual paint over there. And we got brake clean on all that just to get the surface prepped up completely. We also got some painter's tape right there with some trash bags. We're gonna take off the wheel, get everything good to go, and then we'll show you the painting process.
Can you record this on my camera?
Got it jacked up on the diff right there. Now we're gonna put one jack stand here, one jack stand here. We only got 2, and then we're gonna keep the jack up on the diff for extra support, and we should be able to have all 4 wheels at the same time off of the ground. And this just makes it easier to do all at once we get the spray cans going.
We'll have 3 wheels.
3 wheels up? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, this is stock ride height right here. Look, I could probably fit a small fat kid from Lowe's head in between.
I can't believe you just said that.
This is my YouTube channel. It don't need to be family friendly. It don't need to be family friendly. So quick update, we got the car up in the air. We're obviously masking it off with some plastic trash bags. They work really well. All you do is poke a hole, wrap it over. Look at all that covers from one plastic bag. It's cheap too. And we got this painter's tape here that we're using to mask off all of the important areas. We're not gonna bother taking off the calipers, you know, having to re-bleed the brakes, doing all this stuff. We got a lot of bugs. But we're not gonna bother doing any of that because there's just really no point, in our opinion. And plus, if you mask it off, it looks well anyways. It looks good anyways. So we got it all masked up over there. We're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing here, but these are much bigger, so we got a lot less to mask off, if that makes sense. Pretty much just all the suspension. We don't want any of it to get on this blue stuff right here. But yeah, we're making pretty good progress. We're gonna try to do all 4 at the same time, maybe all 3 at the same time, but just look how big these Brembos are, man. Like, they're massive. So I think I've said it before, but we got all that masked off. We're doing the exact same thing on the front, but we're actually scuffing up the caliper so that the paint has a better surface to stick to. And by paint, we mean primer, paint, and then the gloss. So while he's working on that, I'm using some brake clean, cleaning this off, and we're gonna get it all ready to use some of that right there. Make it look really good. So we got that first coat of primer right there. We got it all good to go. We're going to move on to the next side here. We just got it finished masked up. All you can see is that caliper, perfect. We don't want any overspray. And once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and hit that with primer and then go back and forth so we get 3 coats of primer, and then we'll finally be able to use that lime green paint. I'm excited to see how it looks. We just finished priming it and we're about to hit it with the green paint right there. He's about to hit it. Yes, sir.
Time for the green.
Okay, so another green. They look really good. that's pretty much it. We're about to put some gloss and then go eat some dinner because we're all hungry.
But look at that, oh my goodness, it's green.
And we're back from eating. We grabbed a burger, some food, a couple of drinks, and this is the finished result, at least on this side. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up the other side, but I think it looks really good. Let's check it out. Here's the finished result. Let me shine the light up to it. We actually put the wheel back on. I'm thinking you might grab some Brembo stickers, but look at it, the blue and the green. I personally think it looks really, really good. Contrasts perfectly with the car, especially when he changes more accents. Especially like this LT1 here that's red. He might change that to the same color, grabber lime green. I think it looks really good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the process on how to do it. It's actually really simple. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side tomorrow. I might get some more footage of that. But if not, I really appreciate y'all for watching. I'd appreciate it if you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
We'll see you in the next one.
So it's the next day. We're still painting. Almost done masking it off. We already got a set of primer on that one as well as that one. It is very, very hot outside, so we're kind of waiting for the paint to cure a little bit longer. I know that doesn't really make sense, but whatever. We're almost done with the final reveal. Then I'll show you guys the finished result. Yeah, so just a quick ending to the video. I didn't really record too much at the end, but he did paint the other side purple. It actually looks a lot better than the green in my opinion, but the green still looks good. If you want to go check it out, go check out Toby Vega D YouTube channel. I'm sure he's going to post the video soon. I did beat him to it, but you can definitely tell that the quality in this video is lacking. To be honest, I kind of forgot to record everything. However, I'm doing a new style of editing and filming to where I just film and pick up and try to do things differently. But it's working a lot better for me in terms of editing speed, and unfortunately the quality suffered on this video, so I apologize for that. Check out his videos for the finished results, and stay tuned for the better ones coming up next.